accessibility on Google as well? Or is it mainly the blogging? What are your thoughts on video to improve visibility on Google search?
Well, I think that video brings another element to it. So, I wanted to do a video and put it on our website, especially on the contact us page, because I wanted people to know why I created the company and that they're not just going to be another company with us, they're going to be a partner.
Yeah.
And so I wanted to put that on there. So for me, my strategy wasn't necessarily to come up in search because of the video, but it was mostly to have people understand that I'm a real person. I created this out of passion and I want to help them. So with that, I think that helps people connect with you on a more personal level because they can see you and understand you and meet you kind of. But then we also have a toolbox page on our website where we do take a deep dive into those frequently asked questions that you just mentioned. And we dive into, hey, how do you do this? How do you do that? And it's kind of also all for resources. But I wanted to take the opportunity to try to come up for some of those frequently asked questions that people type in on Google. And not only that, to help educate my clients as well, or potential clients that are looking into us. Because once again, it's kind of that trust verifier. Okay, they're teaching me how to do all of these things so they know what they're talking about. So let me go and hire them.
Yeah, absolutely love that. Front load, this is a thing that Gary Vee is big into. It's giving all of your best advice up front because
Yeah.
people get hungry for more. And
Mhm.
definitely Kaitlyn is dropping knowledge bombs on us here. You can find out all that she's doing at southstreetmarketing.com where she is crushing it. And don't don't just listen, watch, see what she's executing on. I think that's a really important thing to do. Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.